5 signs that your house will not sell on the MLS and what to do instead to get it sold. Many homeowners think that once a property is on the MLS that it's sold, guaranteed. But many can sit on the market for a month, 2 months, even up to a year, even multiple years. So here's 5 signs that your property won't sell on the MLS. Today I'm going to tell you 5 clear warnings that your property won't sell on the MLS and what to do instead to get it sold faster before losing months in time and money and waiting for it to sell on them. If your home needs foundation work, roof replacement, major components need to be replaced, or major updates need to be done, the house needs to be livable to be able to. Retail buyers often can't get financing approved without the updates. It must be livable, which often eliminates most of your buyer pool. You either invest the money to replace the major things that need to be done, or you can sell to an investor as is, or list it way below market value to be able to attract investors to buy it. The price is based on what you need, not what the reality of the market may be. A common mistake in pricing based on what you owe or what you want instead of what comparable sales actually support. When properties are overpriced, they become stale listings and then eventually sell for what they could have sold for if they were priced right from day one. Price needs to be based on comparable sales, or explore off-market buyers who calculate based on conditions and investment potential. Location challenges. Some homes struggle on the MLS because of busy streets, smaller lots, older homes in the area that are needing redevelopment in areas where investor activity is higher than retail buyers. In these situations, investors may be better suited for your property versus than a retail buyer. The timeline's too urgent. If you need to sell within 2 to 3 weeks, the MLS is not going to be your friend when it comes to selling fast and getting exactly what you need when you need it. Between showing schedules, negotiations, and financing timelines, most homes can sit on the market for 60, even up to 120 days before they even finish. Consider buyers who can close quickly without loan approvals if timing is critical. The property's been listed already but didn't sell. If a home's already sat on the market for months and it still didn't sell, it usually has to do with the condition, the pricing, or even the buyer's demand in that market, in that area. Relisting the property without changing your plan of attack is going to get you the same result of it sitting on the market. So reevaluate the pricing, the condition, or consider alternative selling markets to find a different pool of buyers. To recap, homes typically struggle on the market when they need major repairs and they're not done. Pricing isn't aligned with the comps. Location limits retail demand. The seller needs speed. The property has already been sitting on the market once. If you're unsure if your property will sell on the MLS and you want to know what it would sell for as is condition, shoot me a DM and I'll get you a cash offer same day and you can move forward with your life.